Entity Tools Module Function Introduction Line and Rectangle Module. Change Scale. This command is used to change the drawing scale of a completed drawing. Click the Change Scale function. Enter the corresponding scale in the dialog box's data field, and press the OK button. Select entities to change the scale. Specify the base point for scale change. If the drawing scale is changed, the size of the scaled graphic will change, but the text height, dimension values, rebar width, and point rebar size in the drawing will remain unchanged. If the plotting scale is changed, the size of the graphic, text height, rebar width, and point rebar size will change, but the dimension values will remain unchanged. Change line width. This command is used to batch modify the width of entities such as lines, arcs, and pline lines, and it can also achieve automatic connection between these types of entities. Click the Change Line Width function. If you want to change the line width value, click on the keyword Change Line Width, Q, or directly enter the letter Q and press Enter. Enter the line width. Select the entities whose width you want to change, and the line width of the selected entities will be changed to 1. Line width change completed. Join line. This command is used to connect unconnected line segments and arcs. Click the Join Line function. Select TH first line or arc to connect. Select TH second line or arc to connect. Line segments joined completed. Rectangle Boolean. This command is used to draw complex polygons composed of multiple overlapping rectangles. Click the Join Line function. Specify the first corner and the other corner of the rectangle. Specify the first corner and the other corner of the second rectangle. The two rectangles are automatically overlaid and drawn. Draw rectangle. This command enables users to directly draw rectangles at a specific inclination angle. Click the Draw Rectangle function. Select the first point for the rectangle. To change the inclination angle, enter R. Then type the angle value. Select the second point for the rectangle or enter its length. Drag or enter a height to define the rectangle size. Rectangle drawing completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.